Hi everyone, are you looking for the best AI art styles without wasting hours searching? In this video, I'll show you how to find the best AI art models on Civitai. Let's get started. First, visit the civitai.com and on the home page, you'll see the trending models, newest uploads, and community favorites. Then here, click on the models at the top and now you can use filters to narrow your search. You can select and choose between checkpoints in the model type. And you can sort by popularity, most downloaded, top rated. And here you can also put or tap the base model and have a tags. You can search styles like anime, photoreal, fantasy, and more. And each model shows a rating stars. Then you can preview the images so you can see how it performs before downloading. Look for the models with the high quality sample images and strong ratings. Then, must try the models in 2025. Here are some of the samples. We have a Dream Shaper, Realistic Vision, Rev Animated, Deliberate, and more. Then, if you found a model, click Heart and then bookmark it and hit follow. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.